Hello everyone, let us solve the following. What is the probability of selecting a red king from a deck of cards? Okay, very simple problem. Yes, we see. So, first we are going to for finding the probability of the given event. Let us identify the total outcomes. A standard deck has 52 cards in total. So obviously total possible outcomes will be 52. Okay. So we have identified the total possible outcomes as 52. Okay. And of course we know that a standard deck consists of 52 cards divided into four suits: hearts, diamonds, clubs, spades. Okay. And two colors, red and black. Okay. So this is very important because the total deck is divided into two colors. Two colors are the red and black. But what is asked here? Here we are asked to find out a red king, the probability of getting a red king here. So while identifying the favorable outcomes, we have to see only red color, red kings only. Okay, so black we will avoid. So here standard deck of cards consists of 52 cards. That's why possible outcomes will be 52. That is fixed. So to identify the favorable outcomes here, a red king must be a king from either the heart suit or the diamond suit. Both are in red color. Okay, so king of hearts, which is in red color, one, only one king will be there. In the same manner, king of diamonds will be one, that is also in red color. So there are exactly two red kings in the complete deck. Red kings two red kings will be there. So how many favorable outcomes will be there for us? Obviously two favorable outcomes will be there. Okay, total possible outcomes are 52. So the favorable outcomes for getting a red king will be only two. Okay, right? So now we are going to find out the probability of getting a red king. Okay, right now. So here hearts and diamonds, red king. Okay, right. So how can we calculate the probability here? So the probability of getting a red king from a pack of cards or deck of cards, okay, will be equal to number of favorable outcomes by total number of possible outcomes. Okay, so how many favorable outcomes are there? Only two. Okay, then we are going to substitute the values. So the probability of getting the red king will be favorable outcomes to possible outcomes 52. That is 2 by 52. After simplifying, what will be the final answer? When we simplify the fraction there, 2 by 52, so the probability of getting a red king in the deck of cards will be equal to 1 by 26. Okay, so this is the final answer, right? Yes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.